Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to understand three very important concepts: artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. And the reason we are starting here is simple. If you want to understand generative AI, these are the building blocks you need first. So, let's break them down one by one in a very simple way. What is artificial intelligence? Let's start with artificial intelligence or AI. Humans are naturally intelligent. We can think, learn, solve problems, recognize faces, understand language, and make decisions based on experience. Now, imagine if you try to give some of this intelligence to machines so that they can think or act like humans. That idea is called artificial intelligence. In simple words, AI is about making machine capable of doing tasks that normally requires human thinking. Some real world examples: a medical system that detects tumor from scans, a voice assistant that understands what you say, a fraud detection system that blocks suspicious bank transactions, a chess playing computer that can defeat humans. All of these systems behave intelligently, and that's AI. But now the big question is, how do machines actually become intelligent? This is where machine learning comes in. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a way to teach machines using data instead of rules. Earlier, computers had to be programmed step by step. If this happens, do that. Machine learning changes that. With machine learning, we show machines examples and they learn pattern on their own. Think of it like this. Suppose you want to teach someone how to identify spam emails. You don't explain every rule. Instead, you show them hundreds of spam emails and normal emails. Over time, they start recognizing patterns, certain words, strange links, suspicious senders. Machine learn the same way. Another simple example: imagine teaching a kid to recognize dogs. You show them many pictures: big dogs, small dogs, brown dogs, white dogs. Eventually, even if the kids see a dog they have never seen before, they can still say, "Yup, that's a dog." Machine learning works exactly like that. You give machines a lot of data and they learn patterns from it to make predictions and decisions without being explicitly programmed. Examples of machine learning: YouTube recommending videos, Amazon suggesting products, weather apps predicting rain, credit score system assessing risk. But there's a challenge. Machines are not naturally intelligent like humans. To learn well, they need huge amount of data, powerful computers, smart algorithm, and this brings us to the next level. What is deep learning? Deep learning is a more advanced form of machine learning. It is inspired by how human brain works. Our brain has millions of neurons connected together. Information passes from one neuron to another layer by layer until we understand what we are seeing or hearing. Engineers try to copy this idea and created something called neural networks. A neural network has multiple layers. Each layer processes information. Each layer improves the understanding step by step. For example, when a deep learning model looks at an image, first layer detects edges, next layer detects shape, next layer detects objects, final layer understands what the object is. This layered learning is why it's called deep learning. Deep learning is specially powered for complex tasks such as speech recognition, image recognition, language translation, text generation, image generation, and yes, tools like ChatGPT are built using deep learning models. The reason deep learning works so well is because It can handle massive data. It learns very complex patterns. It keeps improving with more training. Earlier, deep learning was hard to use because computers weren't powerful enough. But today, with GPUs, cloud computing, faster hardware, deep learning has become practical, and that's why generative AI has exploded recently. Let's put everything together. Artificial intelligence. It's a goal that make machines intelligent. Machine learning. It's a type of method where machine learn from data. Deep learning. It's an advanced method. Machine learns using neural network with multiple layers. You can think it of like this. AI is the goal. ML is one way to achieve that goal. Deep learning is the most powerful form of machine learning. Now that we have got these basics clear, we are ready to take the next step. In the next video, we'll come back to generative AI and see how these ideas, AI, machine learning, deep learning, come together to power tools that can write content, generate images, help with coding, and much more. So make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss the next one. Let's jump to the next video. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.